In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background music in Google Slides. By the end, you'll know exactly how to insert your audio, control how it behaves, and fine-tune it so it complements your presentation instead of overpowering it. Start by opening your Google Slides deck. When you're ready, head to the top menu and choose Insert, then Audio. This opens the Google Drive picker. Select the audio file you've already uploaded to your drive, then click Select. A small speaker icon will appear on your slide, confirming the audio has been added. If you don't see your file, make sure it's in your drive and supported by slides. Common formats like MP3 usually work well. It's also a good idea to use royalty-free music and keep track lengths appropriate for your presentation. Next, click the speaker icon to reveal its settings. On the right, open Format Options and go to Audio Playback. This is where you control how your music behaves. First, choose how the audio starts. If you pick Automatically, your music begins as soon as the slide appears, which is great for a smooth, ambient background. If you prefer more control, select On-Click so the audio plays only when you trigger it. If you want your track to repeat, turn on Loop Audio. This is helpful when your presentation is longer than your audio file. You can also decide whether the music continues as you move to the next slide. To try that, uncheck. Stop on slide change. Keep in mind that behavior can vary, so it's important to test your deck in present mode to confirm it works the way you expect on your device and browser. To keep your slides clean, you can hide the speaker icon during the presentation by checking Hide Icon when presenting. While editing, you'll still see the icon so you can select it and adjust settings. Finally, set the volume using the slider. Background music should sit under your voice and not compete with it. A lower level generally sounds more professional, so start modestly and adjust after a quick test recording. Remember that device volume and room acoustics also affect what your audience hears. When everything looks good, click Present to Preview. Navigate a few slides, listen for smooth transitions, and confirm the volume is comfortable. If others will present your deck, make sure the audio file is accessible to them through Drive so playback works reliably. And that's it. You've added background music to Google Slides and tailored it for a polished, distraction-free experience. Thanks for watching.